building the stand for the bevel display. Here's how it goes. We're using a piece of cedar wood. It's fancy. It's got that cool looking red colored wood in the middle. Smells like a gerbil cage. Do gerbil cages smell pretty? Now we go to the bandsaw. About there. And this knot will be really pretty green inside there. And about like that. Look at those bookends. It looks like a sloth. Next, we film me at the sander, all right? All right, we're on this machine here. We need some new sandpaper. My paper's lost its grit. Allow to dry for 2 minutes before applying disc. Cedar or juniper, it's one of those woods that's very rot resistant, and which means also it's not good for you to breathe. I want to keep the dust out of my lungs and my eyes. Okay, we've sanded it down. I need to drill a hole in it here to accommodate the stand. straight up and down. Okay, got a stick here that's about 1 inch diameter. That'll work good. Let's cut the length. Not quite. There's a tree limb that's just the right size. Got the foam head at the local craft store. Makes a perfect display for our beekeeping bales. Get one at the honey company now.